Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We have working seatbelt and got our license plate. So it is time to drive the Kei truck. I don't really know how to drive manual. There's been a handful of times where I have driven manual in my life, but every time I have to relearn it because it's been so long that I will forget. Let's watch some videos. Hopefully with regular practice, this will become more of a permanent skill. Let's do some research. Okay, every time I relearn how to drive manual, I watch a bunch of different videos. They all say pretty much the same thing, but I do like this one by Conquer Driving. Feeling pretty confident. Let's get back into the garage. I'm a little nervous, but we are going to follow the video. Clutch down. Let's make sure the car can start. Okay. Clutch down. We are in neutral. This is a little tricky because I have to go into reverse instead of go into one. Parking brake down. Oh, seatbelt. Let's try to reverse out of the garage. Let's go into reverse. Give it a little gas. There we go. Our little brake. We are doing okay. I'm still a little on the clutch. Oh no. Did I stall? Clutch down. Let's go into one. There we go. This is going okay. I don't know what to do now. I feel like I need a brake. There is a car coming and this is not good. We're gonna slow down and I'm gonna try to get back to the house. How do I stop? Okay, I'm gonna apply the brake first. And the clutch. Brake, clutch is down. Parking brake up. Then I could release that foot. Go into neutral and okay, I think that went pretty good. Gonna practice that a few times. It's going pretty good. I'm a little less nervous. Here's a closer look at the clutch, brake, and gas. I think I stalled earlier because I was in gear and still had my foot on the clutch while braking. So now I just make sure to take my foot off the clutch. Going to try to get the camera up here, do a little more hyperlapse. The driving is getting a little more comfortable. Clutch down, start the car. Parking brake, gear 1, slowly add gas, let go of clutch. The catch point is a little higher than I remember because I did have to drive it from the port to the tow truck, and then they dropped it off on the street, so I had to drive from the street into the garage. Let's go up to 3rd. I'm still getting used to the high catch point. That feels pretty good. I love my Kei truck. Video number 195 done.